What's up, YouTube? What's happening? What's going on? Uh, I want to talk about the donations, like Red Cross donating to the little dogs and Children's Hospital and all that. I want to talk about a little bit about that um, because it goes with the car wash, and I want to put it on my channel so we so I can continue on with my video. But anyway, for this channel, car my car wash will continue on. I want to talk about it even more. Uh, by doing this on my own because I'm planning to upgrade my channel and upgrade my photos and everything, and do a little work on it. It's gonna be a good one. Uh, I like making videos for y'all because it's more fun about it and it's more entertaining. So I want to entertain y'all and I want to entertain y'all a little bit more on this on my channel. Um, it's gonna be a good one, and as long as I continue on, we should be cool. And you know, let's ride this whole thing out together. Uh, Lion Dumb is all about car washing, and that's what I want to. That's what my channel to be about is car washing and planting grass and planting build having my own having my own building as me washing a car by myself, and we uh, should continue on with that. If I'm being transparent with everything, I will keep moving on with it. Yeah, let's let the whole thing out and let's keep this thing rolling and keep 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 positive, and you know, as far as with like products and everything, I would like my products would come from different resources, uh, like the soap dispensers, everything with everything would comes with like different companies. Uh, Rags, you get rags, you get the rags, towels anywhere. But I want my own, personal rags as far as like put them in drawers and like have my own drawers and like have my own TV on the wall and like stuff like that for the car wash. It's like a display on the TV, like a little display. Uh, as long as as long as we continue as long as we continue on, it should be cool. It should be cool and everything else. Um, that's what I want to come here to say, to talk about that a little bit. Come here. I'm trying to watch my dog at the same time I'm doing this recording for y'all. But yeah, that's what I want to talk about coming on here. Everything else should be going well, and I want to know what y'all thought on my channel, and let's get there, and let's keep this thing rolling. And I want to keep posting more often on my channel, and I want y'all to keep watch out for my for the channel. No, for the video, because I'm gonna keep posting very more often as I normally do. I haven't been making videos like that, but we'll get it there. Line down, all gonna stay the same, and I'm gonna work on my video and me talking on here and everything. I'm gonna work on that. And now, cause I'm a little scared, and I'm gonna keep vibing this thing out, and do what we do what it do, and just keep it going. As far as merch, a lot of my merch is gonna come from Amazon, but I got to I got get like a little sign with them. I know how to do it, but I'm gonna sign with them to get my merch from them. It had the letters and the pictures. It would say it's not done a detailed car wash. That's what's gonna happen, and we're gonna take trips and everything. Do all kinds of fun things on my channel, like cooking. We're gonna do like baking on my channel. It's gonna be a lot of things going. So once I get there, it'll be a lot of fun. Just watch and see. Just watch and see. It's gonna be a lot of different things. I'm gonna be doing them on here. It's gonna be a lot of different things. A lot of it. Like I said, the donations. I want to put that out there. The donation to the children's hospital, helping the homeless, and like helping with the dogs and everything, like homeless dogs, and like donate to them. Get back to the community. And I'm gonna be the only one that's car washing everybody's car, cause that's what I do. I does it by myself. I don't need just me by myself, and And one day, hopefully I climb up there to get 100 subscribers and just views and everything. So I'm gonna get off here. Like, subscribe, comment below, and see what y'all thought on my channel. Love y'all. Peace.